Ever dreamt of building your own Android app? With Python and Kivy, it's not just possible, it's easy. Welcome to Kivy School's Python on Android Essentials course on Udemy. From day one, you will start with hands-on learning. Imagine seeing your app on your phone right after your first lesson. We have developed an advanced hot reloader that updates your Android code instantly, making learning smooth and efficient. Our course covers everything from setting up your Python environment to using the Android API with PyGenius. You will learn practical skills through cloning popular apps, which prepares you for both academic projects and real-world applications. Beyond the basics, we are going to dive into advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, GPS integration, and complex animations. Our course is designed to be easy to follow, ensuring you develop healthy programming practices. Join us on this journey to transform your app ideas into reality. Support our Kickstarter today and be the first to access Python and Android Essentials.
Hello everybody, my name is Felipe. I'm one of the founders of Kivy School and also instructor. At Kivy School, we want to bring to you the best source of information about Kivy, and we are gonna teach you how to create Android apps using only Python. We would like to invite you to join us in an exciting community to help you along the way with your own Python projects. We are starting Kivy School to show you a lot of examples on how to use different functionalities, step-by-step tutorials on how to get your first Python app on Google Play Store. With our course, Python Android Essentials, we'll teach you how to use our custom hot reloader. You will be able to see your changes in real time. No need to recompile again and again. This is a huge development and we'd like to share it with everybody. Kivy Reloaded is already publicly available, but we still need funding to add essential tutorials, examples, real-world projects to our course on Udemy. Please apply today and at Kivy School, let's code together.